Full portal search is an effective feature in Document 360 that helps you search through your entire project content, files, tags, users, and settings. It can help you quickly find what you're looking for and even perform combined search across all project versions and languages simultaneously. Full portal search comes with its own dedicated space and can be accessed by clicking the search icon, which will overlay the full portal search over your current workspace. At any time, you can retract this window by clicking on the small minimize button. To demonstrate the power of this feature, let's start by performing a quick search. Search will now display all relevant results from your project, and you can see that it is separated by sub-modules, with only 5 results within each sub-module displayed. If there are more than 5 results, you can click More within a sub-module to see the rest. There's a lot of data that can quickly be known about these search results. For instance, if we look at the list of articles here, it tells us which version and language it belongs to, the status of the article, whether it's new or published, and the contributors, and it even searches for articles that are currently in the recycle bin. Any articles that may be hidden right now would appear with a strike through. Another handy function is that you can preview the article in a click, and if this is the one that you're searching for, just select Go to Article and it'll load up the content in your editor. Now let's assume we're looking for a specific article. The filtering options on top lets us narrow down our search to the project version and language, or the visibility of the article, its status, the contributors, any tags within the project, and according to different time frames when the article was updated. Search results in the Drive module lists out all the relevant files related to a search. And just like with articles, you have filtering options to narrow your search down based on various parameters. And you can choose to view this as a list or a grid. You can get a quick preview and more information related to this file by clicking on any of the items. One cool point here is the dependencies section, which will list out all the places in your documentation where this file is currently being used. The Users and Groups module comes in useful when you want to search team accounts, groups, readers, or reader groups. Keep in mind that some of the search information in this module will depend on your current role and the kind of user access you're granted. For example, if I wanted to see all users who are contributors in my project, I can run a search right here and filter this list based on whether I want just team or reader accounts or groups and when they last logged in. By clicking on a user, I can see what sort of view access permissions they have both on the portal side and the content side. If your role has privileges to manage user access, you can click Manage Permissions to jump directly to the Team Accounts page to edit user permissions. Using the Tags module, you can search through and view the tag library within your project. We can view this as a list or as a grid if you prefer. Let's run a search, and we can see that the result shows us the number of articles this tag appears in. Clicking on an item will show the dependencies, and selecting an article will take you to your documentation. The Settings search module will help you quickly navigate to a specific settings page in your project. Let's try searching for Ticket Deflector. We can jump right into the settings by clicking on the icon and start working on it. The Settings module is another section where your role affects what you will be able to search. For example, if your role does not allow access to the drive, it will not be seen here. Document 360 also provides a top bar search feature, which is a little different when compared to the full portal search. The top bar search can be found on top of the portal as a search icon and serves 2 functions. Firstly, it's meant for quick searches without needing to open up the full portal search environment. Secondly, it is context aware and will prioritize results based on where you are in the portal. For example, if you're in the settings section and search for, say, team, it'll first display results found in the settings section and then any other submodules. However, if you would like to view results at a holistic level and project-wide, just hit the Enter key or click right here. Having both the full portal search and the top bar search always available on demand means that you will spend much less time combing through your content to find information on everything from article content to files and users to project settings. The search functionality in Document 360 ensures that you're able to work efficiently regardless of how big or complex your knowledge base becomes.